Alright. Okay. On my Slackware side, and let's see what we can do. Need to chroot into my machine and fix our shadow problem. Now, did I ever download a book here? Good question. Nope. Negative. So what do we do now? What we can do is, first I need some internet. So let's go ahead and we'll say change font up by 1 so you guys can see. I need to say sudo su. I need to spark up my internet here. ImpNet. My own improvised network manager. I have videos on this, how to build it. It's still not done, but that's okay. For a new AP, I'm going to connect to this router, open, and I gotta get up there, I gotta get the book, because I need the book to see how I change root back in, the syntax for it and everything else. If you remember, the syntax was chroot something something blah blah blah. It was the last chroot that we did, the one that said from now on. Okay, so that's what I need to do. Don't close me, carrot. Okay, so now let me make directory for both LFS stuff. I guess I could do that. LFS stuff, and my fans are whirring. Okay, let's say links. No, links start. Actually, I can search for LFS 7.6 book. I don't have any GPM. Okay, this syntax here is my own syntax, so don't really go looking for it. I think I might have did a tutorial on how to do this. Basically, my link start program is just, it links www.google.com all the time, okay? But I actually added parameters to it, so I could say search. That's my own syntax, search for this term here, so I don't have to say links www.google.com, go to it, go to where I have to enter the search query and do that. It just searches right from my terminal. Maybe I'll make a video about that sometime too. Alright, so let's see. Books, HTML, no chunks. I can go on the HTML. That'll work. Unless the internet ever gets disconnected. First thing we have to do is go down to stripping again, cleaning up boot scripts, about debugging symbols, stripping again. Okay, I need some GP. What the hell happened? I need some GPM. So I'm gonna say Mouser. Get some GPM. It's time to enter chroot environment. Okay, no. Then re-enter it. Okay. Right here, section 6.73, it says cleaning up, finally clean up some blah blah blah. From now on, when re-entering the chroot environment after exiting, use the following chroot command. Reason being is the tools directory is not in the path and everything else like that, okay? This other one up here, the other two, they were just for temporary for using the tools directory and everything else, okay? So what we need to do is I gotta go back to where we were starting to mount. When we were preparing our virtual kernel file system, to make, let's see, first let's export sudo su. Okay, export LFS equals mount LFS. That's okay, we can do that again. Now, I need to mount verbose type ext3 dev sda, I think it was 9 to $LFS. Oh, make a directory verbose $LFS. Was that parent directory? That was a parent directory. No. That should be a parent directory. Not that it really matters too much, I mean. Mounting new partition. Yes, it was a parent directory. Parent. Mount verbose type ext3 dev sda 9 to $LFS. Okay. Mount it. Now I need to go to, I gotta mount my devices to it. I don't need the hooks, but I do need mount v bind dev to $LFS dev. Okay, mount v type dev pts dev pts to $LFS dev pts dash o group id equals 5 mode is equal to 620. Okay. Man, it feels real good to be back on my old keyboard again. My old lapper. Let's see, $proc. Okay. Sys. So sysfs. And mount run to tempfs. Alright, and some link did I do this before? I don't know, let's do it anyway. If then, let's say if h $LFS dev shared memory, then make directory parent verbose $LFS encapsulate read link $LFS dev shared memory v. Nothing happened, so I think we're okay. Let's go to, alright, back to section, what was it, 6.7, I don't know what it was. Debugging system stripping again, 6.73, I think, yes it was. Okay, remember this is our siege root command down here, okay. Unlike this one that's up here, if you look at this one here, it says tools bin environment I, blah blah blah, okay, tools bin bash login. Alright, well this one here doesn't have the tools in it, because remember we're not linking against tools anymore. You see what I'm saying? Okay, we're actually in our system now. So it says here, from now on, when re-entering the siege root environment after exiting, use the following modified siege root command. It is now on, and we need to go back in and fix something. LFS user bin env-i home equals root term equals encapsulate $term ps1 equals escape out u stop, escape out w, escape out $space pop out, path equals bin stop user bin stop sbin stop user sbin new line bin bash login. Okay. Who am I? I am root. What works? Password for root never works over here for some reason. Let's do it anyway. Password. do your minimal of 5 characters, do your above 5 characters, okay? Okay. I don't think that'll work though. You can say login, Jack login. I'm actually logging in my LFS machine again, password. Yeah, see, same complaints here that we get, same complaints, okay, that we get on our, when we are physically booted into machine.c root. No problem. What happens if I exit? I'm out. How about go back in? Okay. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to make a temporary user again. This is how you fix this problem. And maybe it's me not reading, or I hope this isn't something that everybody's having problems with, because this really needs to be solved. But I don't know. I followed the book. Maybe I shouldn't do something or something. I don't know. But I followed the book, and this is what I get every time for this. Let's see. Mounting the new partition. Set up to variable. Adding LFS user. Okay. What we need to do now is we want to add group add. Group add root. Root already exists. User add with bin bash capabilities to groups root. Make k dev null or user. The user we want to add to the root group is LFS. Okay. Now we need to give LFS, and I say LFS, it could be anything in this case, but this is only a temporary user. I'm not making it complicated. Password LFS, okay, or password Jack, or password Tom, whatever temporary user you want to be right now. Password LFS. Password is going to be this. Okay, and that's all I really need to do there. Can I log in now? Log in as root. No, let me log in as LFS. Okay. Now you see here it did work. Who am I? I'm LFS. Who? No. Who am I? I'm LFS. SUID maybe? Is that even a command? UID, is that a command? User ID is 1000, LFS groups root. Okay. So we're logged in on our machine now. Let me go to Etsy, and we have to modify a few files. We have to say vim Etsy group. Okay. Users are 99. Where's LFS at? LFS is not in here. Okay, good. Okay, quit. Etsy group, Etsy shadow. No, permission denied. Sudo, no, I don't have sudo. Su? Yeah. Nope, can't do that either here. Okay, how about vi Etsy group shadow password, I think. Okay, here I'm going to elevate LFS to be the root user. See, that's 1000. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. It's at 1000. Let's put it down to 0. Which would effectively be the same permissions as the root user. Right, quit. What happens if I do that again? It's still 1000. What did I screw up? About right. did I screw up? How about group add? Look, let's go back, okay? I screwed this up, man. Alright. I should have stuck with my game plan. Right there. Group add. LFS. Oh. Wait. I know what I'm doing. Okay. I was logged in as the user when I was trying that. Okay. Let's say Vim Etsy password. Elevate this user. LFS is my new user. I'm going to elevate him. Right quick. Okay, good. Now if I cat it out, see that? LFS is now the root user, okay? And this right here, home LFS, that's just where he's going to land. It doesn't really matter though, because we're going to go back up here and we're going to change this from the other side. Okay. Etsy password. Etsy group. That's okay. Right quick. Let's see. Etsy shadow is the other one I got to change here. Okay. Let's take out this user, which is root. Okay. Right quick. Cat Etsy shadow. Okay. You see that root is gone from our list here. Right? Anybody who's like, huh? Let's look at it again. There we go. It's going here. Okay. So now let's say login. We could say LFS password is. Okay. Who am I? I am root. You guys catch that? UID or ID. It's root. You see how I elevated? Okay. So I'm elevated now. It'd be a great idea to reboot, but I'm not. Now let's say group add. Okay, group add. We need to add root. Root already exists, we know that. User add with bin bash capabilities groups root make k dev null. Nothing's going to get overrated. Okay, we need to make a new user. This is root. Okay, root already exists. Am I doing this right? I bet you I'm not. Login. Sorry, omit everything I said. All the way up to group add. Alright, let's log in as LFS. Password. Okay, now let's run group add. Group add. Trying not to reboot. Group add to root. Root already exists. User add with bin bash capabilities groups root make k dev null folder. None's gonna get overwritten. Groups root. Okay, that's cool. Password or new user root. Let's see if this works. Okay. Exit. 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 Alright, I should download this thing so I'm not screwing with it anymore. Yes. 2 megabytes. In case I gotta come back quick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kill the video and we're gonna reboot and see if this thing works now. Okay. Okay. Peace out.